Hello
So,
everyone.
hello everyone.
My name is Shubh
My name is
Sharma,
Shubh Sharma,
and I
and
am
I
from
am
MTech
from
Data
MTech
Science
Data
in
Science
IIT
in
Guwahati.
IIT Guwahati.
And this
And this
presentation is
presentation
about
is
my
about
data
my data
visualization lab,
visualization lab,
which I have been
which I have
studying
been
there
studying there
and over
and
the
over
second
the
semester
second semester
of my MTech.
of my
And
MTech.
I will
And I
go
will
through all the
go through all
assignments
the
I have been
assignments
doing
I
in
have
this
been
lab,
doing in this lab,
what I have learned,
what I have
and
learned, and
will also walk
will
you
also
through
walk you through
a
data
story
story
using World Bank
using
data.
World Bank data.
So let's go.
So let's go.
So
So
we will go to
we will
slide.
go to slide.
This slide
This slide
summarizes all
summarizes
the
all the
labs which I have
labs which I
completed in
have
this
completed
semester.
in this semester.
In lab 1, I
In lab
started
1, I
with
started
basics,
with
by
basics,
charts, heat maps,
pie
heat
charts,
maps,
heat
etc.
maps, etc.
Lab 2 and lab
Lab
3
2
were
and Lab
about
3 were about
distributions. I learned to
distributions. I
use
learned to use
histograms, density
histograms,
curves,
density
box
curves,
plots,
box
violin
plots,
plots,
violin
etc.
plots, etc.
And
And
in lab 4,
in Lab
introduce
4, introduce
hierarchical data
hierarchical
through
data
tree
through
maps,
tree
including
maps,
interactive
including
ones
interactive ones
with the
with the
D3-3R
D3-3R
package.
package.
In lab 5
In Lab
was
5
about time
was about
series,
time
line
series,
charts,
line
stacked
charts,
areas,
stacked
so on and
areas,
so forth.
so on
You
and
can
so
read
forth. You
through
can
the
read through
labs.
the labs.
Lab line
Lab
explore
line
3D
explore 3D
visualizations with
visualizations with
perspective, contour
perspective,
plots,
contour
and
plots,
volcano
and
datasets.
volcano datasets.
Lab 10
Lab
brought
10
everything
brought
together with
everything together with
multivariate
multivariate
analysis,
analysis,
parallel coordinate
parallel
plots,
coordinate plots,
correlation heat
correlation
maps,
heat
and
maps,
faceted
and
box
faceted
plots.
box plots.
The biggest
The
takeaway from
biggest
all of
takeaway
this
from all
is
of
that
this
there is
is
no
that
single
there is
best
no
chart.
single best chart.
Next,
Next,
for my best
for my best
visualization, I choose
visualization,
this
I
bubble
choose
chart
this
from
bubble
Lab
chart
5.
from Lab 5.
It uses the
It uses the
Gapminder
Gapminder
2007 dataset
2007
and
dataset
plots
and plots
GDP per
GDP
capita
per
on
capita on
x-axis
x-axis
against life
against life
expectancy on the
expectancy on the
y-axis.
y-axis.
What makes this
What makes
special
this
is that
special
it
is that it
encodes
encodes bubble represent
sorry, it
sorry
encodes
it encodes
4 dimension
four
into a
dimension
single
into a
plot.
single plot.
The X position
The X
shows
position
wealth, the
shows
Y
wealth,
position
the Y
shows
position
health,
shows health,
and the size
and
of
the size
each
of each
bubble
bubble
represent the country's
represent the
population.
country's population.
You can
You can
immediately see the
immediately see the
story. There
story.
is a
There is
strong
a
positive
strong positive
but a
but
non-linear
a
relationship
non-linear
between
relationship
wealth
between
and
wealth
health.
and health.
It's non-linear
It's
because
non-linear
it's
because
not following a
it's not
straight
following a
line,
straight line,
and you can see
and you can
outliers
see
like
outliers
China
like
and
China
India
and
sitting at
India
very
sitting
different
at very different
positions on the
positions on
wealth
the
axis,
wealth axis,
but
but
surprisingly similar
surprisingly
life
similar life
expectancy levels.
expectancy levels.
The biggest
The
challenge I
biggest
faced
challenge I
was that
faced was that
bubbles for
bubbles
countries
for
like China
countries
and
like
India were
China and
so big
India
they
were
were
so big they were
overlapping smaller
overlapping smaller
countries.
countries.
So I used
So
the
I
alpha
used the alpha
transparency
transparency
to
to
plot
plot
smaller
smaller
countries' bubbles
countries'
over the
bubbles
bigger
over the
ones.
bigger ones.
Next,
Next,
if I have to
if
talk
I have to
about
talk about
why data
why
visualization
data
is
visualization
critically
is
important,
critically important,
especially in today's
especially in
AI-driven
today's
world.
AI-driven world.
First,
First,
explainable AI.
explainable AI.
At machine
As
learning
machine
models
learning
become more
models
and more
become more and
complex,
more complex,
they think
they
very
think very
deeply. There are
deeply.
deep
There
neural
are deep neural
networks. We
networks.
need
We need
visualization to
visualization
understand
to
what is
understand what
happening
is
beneath
happening
all this,
beneath all this,
because it's not
because
easy
it's
to
not
understand
easy
all
to
the
understand all the
mathematics all
mathematics
at once.
all at once.
Business today
Business
rely
today
on
rely on
dashboards and
dashboards
real-time
and real-time
visualizations to make
visualizations to
faster
make
and
faster
smarter
and smarter
decisions.
decisions.
Whether it is a
Whether it
CEO
is a
looking at a
CEO looking
quarterly
at a
revenue
quarterly
chart
revenue
or a
chart
doctor
or a
looking at
doctor
a
looking at a
patient's
patient's
diagnosis,
diagnosis,
we need
we need
visualization as an
visualization as an
interface
interface
between data
between
and action.
data and action.
Uh,
Uh,
Finally,
Finally,
communication at scale.
communication at
We all
scale.
saw
We
this
all
during
saw this
COVID
during
19.
COVID
The
19.
Johns
The
Hopkins
Johns
dashboard,
Hopkins
curve
dashboard,
flattening
curve
charts,
flattening charts,
vaccination trackers
vaccination
all
trackers
help
all
people
help
understand
people understand
what is
what
the
is the
magnitude of
magnitude of
crisis we were in.
crisis we were in.
Now, if we have to
Now, if
talk
we
about
have
the
to talk about the
visualization, I
visualization,
truly
I
admire.
truly admire.
This is
This is
Hans Rolling's
Hans Rolling's
Gapminder bubble chart.
Gapminder bubble chart.
You may have seen
You may
his
have
famous
seen his famous
presentation titled
presentation titled
200 countries,
200
200
countries,
years in
200
4
years,
minutes.
4 minutes.
This
This
visualization is
visualization
available
is
at
available at
gapminder.org
gapminder.org
and is
and
licensed
is
under
licensed
Creative
under
Commons.
Creative Commons.
What makes it
What
brilliant
makes
is
it
that it
brilliant is that
encodes
it
five
encodes five
dimensions into one
dimensions
chart.
into one chart.
Income on
Income on
x-axis, health on
x-axis, health on
y-axis,
y-axis,
population as bubble
population as
size,
bubble size,
region as color,
region as
and most
color, and most
impressively, time as
impressively, time
animation.
as animation.
You can watch
You can
200
watch
years of
200
global
years of
development
global
unfold
development
in real
unfold in
time.
real time.
And what I love
And what I
most
love
about it
most about
is
it is
how it
how it
destroys
destroys
preconceptions.
preconceptions.
Most people think
Most
the world
people
is
think the
divided
world is
into rich
divided into
developed
rich
countries
developed
and poor
countries and
developing
poor developing
countries,
countries.
but this
But
visualization
this
shows
visualization
that most
shows that
countries
most
actually
countries
cluster
actually
in the middle.
cluster in the middle.
Now for
Now, for
data storytelling, I
storytelling,
would like to
I would
say
like to say
this is where I
this is
use
where
a
I
real
use
data
a
set
real
from
data
World
set
Bank
from
to
World
build a
Bank to
narrative.
build a narrative.
I chose to
I chose
analyze
to
India's
analyze India's
economic
economic
transformation by
transformation
comparing
by
GDP
comparing
growth
GDP
rates
growth
across
rates
five
across
major
five major
economies:
economies:
India, China,
India, China,
US, Brazil,
US,
and
Brazil,
Germany.
and Germany.
over a 24
over a
period 24 year period from
2000 to
2000 to 2023.
2023.
The data
The
comes from
data
the
comes
World
from
Bank
the World
Open
Bank
Data
Open
Portal,
Data Portal,
and
and
this
this
specific indicator
specific
is a
indicator
GDP
is a
growth
GDP
annual
growth annual
percentage.
percentage.
I downloaded this
I
data,
downloaded this data,
performed exploratory
performed
analysis
exploratory
in R,
analysis
and
in R,
created
and
5
created 5
visualizations.
visualizations.
This one is a
This
line
one is
chart
a line
which shows
chart which
GDP
shows
growth
GDP
rates for
growth
all
rates
5
for all
countries
5
from
countries
year
from
2000
year
to
2000 to
2023.
2023.
Two patterns
Two
jump
patterns
out
jump out
immediately.
immediately.
First, India and
First,
China
India and China
consistently
consistently
outperform Western
outperform Western
economies. Their
economies.
lines are
Their lines
almost
are
always
almost
above
always
USA.
above USA.
Germany and Brazil
Germany and
lines
Brazil lines
average
average
between 6 to
between 6
8%
to 8
annual
percent
growth.
annual growth.
Now, second, look
Now,
at a red
second, look at a
highlighted
red
zone at
highlighted zone
2020.
at 2020.
This is the
This is the
COVID-19 crisis.
COVID-19 crisis.
As you can see,
As you can
deepest
see,
synchronized global
deepest synchronized
contractions
global
in modern
contractions
economic
in
history.
modern economic history.
Every single
Every
country dipped
single country
sharply,
dipped
but the
sharply,
depth and
but the
recovery
depth and
speed varied
recovery speed varied
dramatically.
dramatically.
Notice also how
Notice
India's
also how
line
India's
shows
line
higher
shows
peaks,
higher
but
peaks,
also
but
sharper
also
drops
sharper
compared
drops
to
compared to
Germany and USA,
Germany and USA.
because these
Because
countries are
these
more
countries
stable
are more
during
stable during
such dips
such
because they
dips
grow much
because they grow
slowly.
much slowly.
Has been a part
Has
of
been a
India
part of
because it is a
India because it
developing
is a
country.
developing country.
Now,
Now,
we will zoom into
we
the
will zoom
COVID
into the
period.
COVID period.
The bar chart
The
on the
bar
left
chart on the
compares
left
pre-COVID
compares
impact
pre-COVID
and recovery
impact and
years for
recovery
each
years
country.
for each country.
India suffered the
India
deepest
suffered the
contraction
deepest
among these
contraction
five
among these
nations
5
at
nations
minus
at minus
5.83% in
5.83%
2020.
in 2020.
But
But
remarkably, it is also
remarkably, it is
staged
also
the
staged
strongest
the
recovery,
strongest
bouncing
recovery,
back at
bouncing
plus
back at plus
9.69% in
9.69%
2021.
in 2021.
This is what
This is what
economists called a
economists
V-shaped
call a
recovery.
V-shaped recovery.
Now look at the
Now look
lollipop
at the
chart on the
lollipop
right.
chart on the
This
right.
shows the
This shows the
24-year average
24-year
GDP
average
growth for
GDP
each
growth
country.
for each country.
Despite the deep
Despite
COVID
the
dip,
deep COVID dip,
India's average
India's
still
average
leads the
still
group at
leads the group at
6.2%, followed
6.2%,
by China.
followed by China.
USA and Germany
US and
average
Germany
around
average
2%,
around 2%,
stable but
stable
much slower.
but much slower.
The key insight
The
here
key
is that
insight here
India's
is that
growth story
India's
is
growth
not
story
much
is not
about
much
a good
about
years,
a
it
good
is
years,
also
it
about
is also about
resilience.
resilience.
The annotated
The
area
annotated
chart
area
tells
chart
India's
tells
growth
India's
story
growth
as a
story
narrative
as a
arc,
narrative arc,
almost like a movie
almost
with
like
a
a movie
beginning,
with a beginning,
crisis, and
crisis,
resolution.
and resolution.
The story
The
begins
story
with the
begins
golden
with the
era
golden
from
era
year
from year
2003 to
2003 to
2007.
2007.
This is when
This is
India's
when India's
liberation
liberation and
liberalization,
liberalization,
as you can see,
as you can
reforms
see,
were really
reforms were
starting to
really
pay off.
starting to pay off.
Growth
Growth
consistently hit 7 to
consistently hit 7 to
10%.
10%.
India was being
India
called
was
one of
being
the
called
BRIC
one of the BRIC
nations,
nations,
and
and
India was being
India
said
was
to
being said to
reshape the global
reshape the
economy.
global economy.
Then came the
Then came the
2008 financial
2008 financial
crisis. You can
crisis.
see the
You can
sharp
see the
dip
sharp
where
dip
growth
where
dropped to
growth
about
dropped to about
3%.
3%.
But India
But
recovered
India
relatively
recovered
quickly
relatively
compared to
quickly
Western
compared to
nations.
Western nations.
And from
And from
2014 to
2014 to
2019,
2019,
India maintained
India
steady
maintained
growth
steady
from 6
growth
to
from 6
8%.
to 8%.
This box
This
plot
box
reveals one
plot
final
reveals one
important
final
insight:
important insight:
growth,
growth,
volatility,
volatility,
and
and
resilience.
resilience.
Look at the spread
Look
of
at the
each
spread of
box.
each
India and
box.
China have
India and
wider
China have wider
interquartile ranges,
interquartile
meaning their
ranges,
growth
meaning their growth
fluctuates more
fluctuates
per
more
year to
per
year.
year to year.
In
In
contrast, the
contrast,
USA and
the
Germany
USA
have
and
much
Germany have
tighter
much tighter
boxes,
boxes,
stable but slow
stable but
growth.
slow growth.
India's ability to
India's ability to
consistently maintain a high
high
median and recover
median
from
and recover
shocks
from shocks
make it one of the
make it one
most
of the most
dynamic economies
dynamic
in the
economies
world.
in the world.
And this
And
data
this
clearly
data
shows
clearly
India is
shows
not just
India is
growing
not just
fast,
growing
it
fast,
is growing
it is
strong.
growing strong.
Now, before I
Now,
wrap up this
before I wrap
video,
up
I
this
would like to
video,
say
I would
that I
like to say
used
that I used
Gemini
Gemini
Anti-Gravity
Anti-Gravity
for
for
taking tips for
taking
the
tips for the
cards for these
cards for
slides
these
and
slides and
collecting the points.
collecting the points.
One limitation I
One limitation I
encountered was
encountered
that
was that
AI
AI
initially
initially
generated GDP
generated
growth
GDP growth
values which were
values
not
which were
perfectly
not
matching with the
perfectly
World
matching
Bank
with the
data.
World Bank data.
So I have
So
to
I
cross
have
check
to
every
cross check
data
every
point from
data
the World
point
Bank
from the
data
World Bank data
and
and
rewrote all the
rewrote
narrative
all the
insights
narrative
in my own
insights in
words
my
to
own
make the
words to
story
make the story
genuinely mine.
genuinely mine.
Thank you for
Thank
watching,
you for
and I
watching,
hope you have
and
a
I hope you have a
great day.
great day.